Alpha High Secondary School nong po kalong gawin Islam hikai ke pau nambah hapo River District hakama malakas nam haki result exam SSLC nani HSSLC kajuan bai shikmat nantakas nam ru haka result jaka commerce kalawan haka top 10 haka win exam la puli uwan haka top ke bashipau uni usam la puli ulong jog.sing nong tudu maka jing pas ke jung haka top 10 kalawara ka jing keman dikena school yakin hikai yakin principal bakam tamru yakin penyat yani ke buat penyat jangka office education apa River District akaba ka DSU ka kompi along like on akublai ka school bayu sama tu.
So happy to the press is here from Bhubaneswar.
Something what excel you reach in this high. How many hours you spend studying?
When it comes to studying, you can just study like 1 to 2 hours per day. Take it easy. If you feel ever pressured, sometimes you tend to feel pressured. You can just take it easy. You can talk to your friends and basically just take it easy and work as much hard as you can. Bring honor to your school.
Who inspired you to reach this level?
My teachers, sir. My teachers and my parents, they inspired me to reach this level. They helped me a lot during my exam, supporting me, guiding me. And it's because of them that I reached in top 10 of HSLC 2024.
What is the message?
What message you would like to give to the students?
To your students, to your colleagues.
To all the students, I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha school. Thank you.
And what is your next step to pursue after this?
My next step would be to pursue BMS from a reputed college so that I can become a businessman, and that's what I'm hoping for.
Principal jangka school kalau keburam bat jing sorong ini menuwe kuna uyo ke commerce stream 10th position jak sing nong tudu ho masih mau ni kuna bat tu hitam hina du dang wit join kelas school ni du kelas 2 bat tu hitam kena ikut sini bat kiba culek bahi jing kuliah jongki ho bat ni so tenap ini ai keburam jubelai ko ikinong hikai kiba day commerce stream bat tunjuk ikimi và cái sam bor ba ya kon bahagia untuk la ban perpoi usia ni kurang baru oi kali jing tu sitom jong hiru ka ba ula ban ai burang ke school ya ni ni ba ikini kasa
Kan pihak perang pakai ro ke jing per mi bang ni school manusia ko permi ikna apa ikna ni kena top 10 Dia kecing per bekerja ikan pergi ke school berkat school ni nanti. Dengan ni ke cepat keren. Mana kalian di PBJ alman kapor kena school.
Okay. Da kabuburam hinga soba maro kino hikai ki school maro hikai ke ju ni. Kan doni ka jing bentar ba kino hikai ki le ki kena school. Hendai ho ni persiang men le kawai kalau ni comeback thong ki kena se kata dekte kasi comeback thong ki kam wak iki lani ni siamba laki don ke jingtulak ang ni persiang ban yarap iki but ho kewe galomba kayarap ya ki hibon ada ni la ban kam ai por iki ha school but tunjuk ni ya don ke jinga dei baki kimi ki pa ban ha ni ba ki don ki kena ki don jingkermen ju balak banwan chakmat ni ong iki mi pa baki pet na yeng lu nang ba kon kikiman cakmat akin pas bah.
Jadi kalian dah sekolah tu baju don ko offer kini ni kena domi ha balak ni apa exam pintam ya ki ni imbos.
Ni don ni saya kerja financial general token hisin ai kapur ni full station school. Bala ya ki class 12 makin lek chabah te sibon dingin lahi namar kena kibon dari ni pensulur but ni I kerja financial assistance one time.
Kaban kong so ban ai mu ni kong mi oblay wa nadu pangadan ni hari buhay nimpat du hisin ro ban yo ya ka top 10 nakadiha ka HSLC dan SSLC ni yo bet kawai ke school ko ba penmi ya kan top 10 kadiha ni Alpha English Secondary School. but nanti ya semua sebun dari kinong punya jokoni ke sekolah principal but kiwai kiba ya dan benta beneran ya kan ke sekolah kabara ya kaburam jong ka limpoi ni Broadway paman usinem ni saya jo kiba yo position na kan ke sekolah tengit scam magajing tristom jong i principal inong hikai ikna but kajing tristom hi jong ka managing committee ka penlong ya kan ke sekolah banang tim senang na kawai ke senem wat deng sebun jong ki jing but ka percentage jong ka jing pas hari boy mentau senem na kaliang jong ka science stream iyo 79.29 but kaliang jong ka commerce stream iyo 79.17 dengan so ba na ka district ka badi ka district ka basa dian tam ko meklaya aspirational district ring layo 79.17 but 79.29 masuk ka de ka penidak ya ka jingkiu jong ka education buat report de masuk ban ai ku play ru om tang ya kan itu school rai kiwai pat ki school wadai kimpoi ha ka top 10 ringgit scam kalian lihat stom kan pala pan pas iki kena pan ya contribute ya kan nika percentage of pass ka report tengah ai ku play iki pan kit box kit yang iki way senem ini yang ini lang ya kan nika top 10 top 20 pat kiwai kitan pat inang piu cenderung sakmat kat nang ni report isu tanggung tahi nya don ban but sakaway na jan klen bang ai ku break terpang yo na jong ka alpha secondary ubala ra ya ku buram jong ka school para ya ku buram jong ka yang kesem but bala ra ru ya ku buram jong ka district kam tam kene ko por ka ba ngadan dan ni masuk men sukun but nga ai ki jung ku perdo ya nang kiu sa dia saplang batru ya kuwai pat kena di balai pas lang akan ni exam bangda to bleng do ku kerpang niki akin yo kalan banang kuliah kat kun gajung temu gajung i iwe